Can you get me a glass of wine for my biscotti, please?
You're about to learn that there's not much mystery to making almond biscotti. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and by mixing the dry ingredients in a large bowl, all-purpose and whole wheat flour, and sugar. You can use either butter or coconut oil for this recipe. Just be sure to melt it before mixing in the wet ingredients. In addition to the melted coconut oil or butter, add 2 large eggs and both vanilla and almond extract. Mix until combined, then fold in the almonds. To cut down on prep time, use slivered almonds. I had none, so I chopped whole almonds. The choice is yours. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or silicone baking mat and divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Coax the dough on 2 opposite sides of the cookie sheet and work them into rectangular logs. They should measure around 11 by 3 inches to give you a rough idea. Once you have the rough shape, work on giving it a more defined shape by compacting the dough. Oh, and just in case you're wondering what is going on in this shot, I wore my baby while filming this and didn't realize he was sticking out so much. I really need a camera where I can see what's being captured while it's rolling. When your biscotti are ready, pop them into the oven for 30 minutes or until they're pale brown. Then turn the oven down to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and let the biscotti cool for 15 minutes or until you're comfortable enough with handling them to slice them. Working on a cutting board, use a chef's knife to cut the biscotti into half-inch pieces. While a serrated knife may seem tempting in this situation, I find that the grooves get caught in the almonds, resulting in a crumbly mess. When everything is sliced, arrange the cookies cut side down on the baking sheet. You should get anywhere from 20 to 24 biscotti, excluding the end bits. When the oven is ready at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, slide the tray back in for another 35 minutes. Flip the biscotti halfway through and bake until golden brown. Then remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Once cooled, it's time to melt the chocolate using a double boiler. Then line up the biscotti and using either a paper cone or a spoon, quickly drizzle the chocolate over the biscotti. You can also dip the ends and roll those in chopped almonds, if desired. Once they've received the chocolate treatment, leave the biscotti alone until the chocolate sets. Then store them in an airtight container for up to a week. I bet they won't last that long.
So that's it for the recipe portion. Just some fun facts on biscotti. Biscotti means twice baked. It is best served with wine. If you're in Italy, you're going to be drinking a sweet white wine with your biscotti, not coffee, as we do here. I personally like drinking coffee with my biscotti, but I've also had it with wine and that's quite enjoyable too. But I'm not much of a drinker, so I do take coffee over wine. There are a few steps, but biscotti is super simple to make. It makes a wonderful gift if you need to get somebody a little something to say thank you, or as a little Christmas gift for a next door neighbor, for example. Nobody's going to snub their noses at biscotti. But yeah, you can add cranberries, you can drizzle white chocolate or dark chocolate, or no chocolate at all. In fact, I actually haven't even drizzled them yet. I'm going to get to that footage soon. They're also quite enjoyable without chocolate. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're brand new here, I really hope you'll join us here in the kitchen by hitting subscribe and that bell notification so that you never miss an episode of the kitchen. I put out 1 new video a week, so I will be seeing you real soon. Bye! We got 100 grams of sugar. Oh no, the egg. Okay, stay there, egg. You're not allowed to go anywhere.